15 by 5.5. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Got this box several weeks ago and I've been trying to open it and show you guys what's in the box. Just haven't had the time, working too many hours. But anyway, so here we are. We're at Customs and Border Patrol. Yeah, so obviously this is the diesel heater that I ordered a couple weeks ago. Ta-da! Oh, okay. Well, these guys are loose. Look at this. This is the this gotta be the silencer, or honestly the cutest and little muffler I ever seen. This is pretty neat. Look at this thing. I hope you guys can see inside. Hope the camera gets that. This thing is, it's cute. Anyway, so here you go. Here's the muffler. Owner's manual right here. Ooh, wow, pretty big tank. That is one big tank. Oh, there's something inside. Let's see what it is. Where are you? Okay, so this must be the to get the fuel out. So I guess, oh okay. Alright, so I guess it goes here. Most likely, yeah. Seen a couple videos online about this already, so I guess, yeah. That must be it right here. Alright, so put this back, unloose it. And this plate. Alright, so so this gotta be the plate to hold the heater, which is must be this one. So this must hold the heater down to the floor. And let's open this box better. Okay. So here we have the hose, the metal hose. I guess this is for the exhaust. Then we have all the wiring and a fuse. 15 amp fuse in it. That's all the wiring, positive, negative. Alright, simple. Fuel line. That's my fuel line right here. This could be an air intake. I think that's what it is. Alright, so yes, it's an air intake. Okay. And then you have all the rest of your lines, your oil filter, your gas filter, fuel filter. Some kind of clamp to hold, don't know. And then all the clamps and everything else. Okay, so we have another flex hose here. don't know, intake or for the exhaust, not sure. This one, well, this was a simple one. This was for the air coming out. This one here is your air vent. Rotates. There you go. Rotates. And I guess this is your splitter. If you have two separate air exhaust, but the problem is he only has one. That's weird. So it comes with one, but it doesn't have a splitter. I guess I have to get a separate one. All right. Well. Okay, here is the. This must be the machine then. Oh, that's not good. Wow. Okay, it's not good at all. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Okay, here's the machine. That's pretty neat. I mean, I have seen a bunch of this unit online, a couple videos, but you can't really tell how big or small it is, and this is pretty cool. So this one, I guess they're all Chinese made. Yeah, that's what they are. So I don't know what this is. Maybe a seal the day it was built, or whatever this is. And here on the side, all the information: fuel, diesel. There's a car parking heater. It's a model XNZ-1. It's rated for 12 volt, 40 watts, and heating power. Oh, okay, 1 kilowatt to 5 kilowatt. I believe that's I think 5 kilowatt is about 17,000 BTUs. I think it is. Could be wrong. Alright, what's this stuff that fell out? Alright, so this, I assume that this is going to be the control box. Feels like it's loose. And this is a little remote control for it. And this must be the diesel pump. This is what everybody complains that it makes a lot of noise as it's priming. Well, we're gonna find out. Yeah, flow this way. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. Pretty heavy. So yeah, very happy about this. It looks good. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay, there you go. Just like that. Just mount it like this. I am very surprised how small it is. I was thinking I was gonna put it underneath my bed, but now that I see how small it is, I'm gonna have another location for it. Wow, I mean, it's pretty small. Well, yeah, let's go inside the trailer. Let's see where I can put this thing at. Okay, well, we are back now. Took me a lot longer than I anticipated, because I had to empty this out. That's where the portable toilet goes. That's why the mess here. I had to take out my mini fridge because this outlet here, the GFCI, keeps tripping. So I'm gonna have to replace that one, and that's the vent. from the inside. Anyway, back here again. Okay, so this is where I think it should go. I was planning to put it back there somewhere, and then I was going to figure out how to route the exhaust, maybe here. And it's not going to work. Now that I see how small the unit is, I think I'm happy with this right here. So as you can see, I still have plenty of space here. Now I'm going to take this whole thing apart. I want to leave my storage here for my toilet, but I'm going to cut the base here so this thing can sit lower. And then I should be, oh, here it is. I should be able to put this right here, like that. That's my vent. And so yeah, so basically as you come in, you can turn it, of course, and you will be able to heat up all the way from here, all the way, you know, to the front. Alright, so the fuel tank will go here. One thing my wife was telling me is that we shouldn't be bringing in any fuel inside, any diesel fuel inside the trailer, and you know, try to fill up this thing inside the camper. There's a guarantee something's gonna spill. And also my gas tank on my truck is on that side as well. So maybe what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting this right here and put in like a longer hose and sticking this outside. So once I stop to fill my tank up, my gas tank, I can also pump, what's this, 10 liters, or what's it, 10 liters, about, I don't know, almost 3 gallons of fuel. So I can do, you know, I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Put gas on my truck and put 3 gallons, 10 liters of fuel here from the outside. This way, don't have to worry about spilling fuel inside the camper. That's one idea. So yeah, that should be simple. Rip this out, cut this base here, install the tank, get a longer neck with a hose, clamp it, stick it outside, cut this off, sit this on the floor, upside down, of course, and then vent right here. Because this little guy, although it's a great heater, it's not going to cut it. I mean, I need to be hooked up to be able to run this guy. This guy will kill my batteries in about, yeah, this thing will kill my batteries in a few hours. That's not good. So yeah, goodbye, friend. You were great. So yep, that will be the setup.
Hi everyone. So this is it. This is the end of this video for today. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of our new heater. But you gotta stay tuned, because next time we're gonna start the install. So that'll be exciting, and that should be a pretty good video. So we want to thank all of our new and existing subscribers. Thank you so much, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.